Good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon.
All right, today we're from the 5th group going to talk about something very interesting. We're going to present something wonderful and fun. But before we're going straight into the topic, how about we introduce our member first? We shall start first with the one on the right side.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Alisa Tiara Putri with number student 124040123.
And the next one is me. My name is Hidria Khairia. My student number is 12420400001. Next one is
Hello everyone, my name is Siti Hamida and the next study number 1240118.
next one.
My name is Nafrian Tasawirantara with student number 12420401116.
Alright, that's the member of our group. We have Alicia, Chai, Mida, and Wilan. Alright, we've done the member introduction. Next, we're going to give you a bit of a clue what we're going to talk about. Mida, please start.
So guys, today our group is going to take your quick trip into the science behind something beautiful and often magical. Rainbows, you probably seen them after it rains. With colorful are stretching across the sky, but have you ever wondered how does this happen? Rainbows might look magical, but they're actually the result of light, weather, and little of physics working together. So let's break it down step by step, and by the end you'll be explaining rainbows like a pro.
Alright, we've known about our little cute clue. We have heard from Mida that we're going to talk about rainbows. Isn't it fun, everyone? Of course. Alright, we'll talk about rainbows. Now we're going to talk about how it actually happened. What ingredients does it have? Please, Yon.
To create a rainbow, you have three main ingredients such as sunlight, water droplets, and then your eyes. First, sunlight. You might think sunlight just a white color, but in reality, sunlight contains many colors such as red, blue, yellow, indigo, violet, and the others. Next, we have water droplets. These are usually contained in air or sometimes in mist and then foam. Next and last is your eyes. When the sun rainbow only appears when the sun is around 45 degrees, and that time is when early in the morning or late afternoon. So you won't see a rainbow in midday because the sun is not in the correct position. The sun must behind your or over your head.
Okay, we've talked about the three main ingredients. We've known now that rainbow needs to have sunlight, water droplets, and also your eyes. Why? Because angle matters the most. Alright? Next, we're going to talk about the science behind rainbow itself. We're going to talk about refraction, reflection, and dispersion. First, there are actually 3 steps in this kind of mysterious rainbow thingy. We have refraction, I mean. So when the sun actually enters a water droplet, it slows down and bends. Yep, it bends, and it's like when you put a straw inside of a glass of water and you see it bends. That's what actually refraction is. Step 1 is done, refraction, we've known about it, and then the second one is reflection. After the sun enters the water droplets, it actually bounces back. So like it went through this and then went back. Can you look here? It's not really visible. So this is sun. Can you even see it? Sorry. So this is the sunlight, and then this is the water droplet. You can't even see it, but it's like this. It's sun, water droplet, and it bounces back. It actually bounces back, and then it goes outside of the water droplets, but in different colors. Because each color actually bends at different angles, like Wilan explained it before. So this bending and bouncing, like this sun going into the water droplet, actually happens in millions of water. It's not only just a droplet, but it's million droplets. And then the third step is still refraction, but it has a bit of a twist, which is dispersion. This refraction has dispersion in it. So, it actually gives onto different because the sun bounces back and then it gives onto different kind of angles, like how Wilan said it before, 42 degrees. So it actually went out into different colors. Like from the outside, you would see violet, and then it's not a white light anymore. It's not the sunlight anymore. It bounces back. I think that's it from dispersion, reflection, and refraction. Next, we're going to talk about
A fun fact.
Sure, we're going to talk about fun fact, please.
Okay, so next one. Now that we've learned a lot about how rainbow happens, right? So right now I'm going to share about 3 fun facts about rainbow to embrace your friends. So for the first, let's talk to the first fun fact. And everyone sees their own rainbows actually. Yes, that's right, because it depends on your personally view angles. And then even when your friends standing up on your next to you, that they will see different rainbows. And then the second fun fact is about rainbows are actually full circles. Yes, it's a full circle. So that's why if you see a rainbow from the ground, you will see the top, only the top of the circle. But if you see the rainbow from the airplanes or the high planes, you will see, or you might catch the rainbow of full of circle. And then the last fun fact is you cannot ever reach the end of rainbow. Yes, because rainbow is actually not physically object. So next time you see the rainbow in the sky, remember the magic and the amazing science behind it. And then it makes like the light, and then the water, and then also your own eyes. Yes, it working out together to make a beautiful, a perfect rainbow ever. So that's all from us, and then thank you for listening our explanations about rainbow happens, and we hope you can see your next rainbow a little differently.
Amen.
Bye bye.